Before we would like to start to practice meditation, I would like to introduce a little bit about the midway meditation. For the midway meditation, this is the technique during the Buddha time. 2,500 years ago, it's called the middle way, the way that not too much, the way that not too less. It's a way that right for you. And the founding teacher หลวงปู่วัดปากน้ำภาษีเจริญ His name is Sot Jantasalo. He is the one that dedicated his life to practice meditation every day, and he is the one that rediscovered the middle way technique from the Buddha time, come back to the modern day, and we are very lucky to learn how to practice meditation in the middle way method. It starts by relaxing your entire body and let your gentle awareness settle down inside yourself, around the middle parts in your body, around your comfortable spot, the spot that you feel peace. If you have some thought come or some distraction come, sometimes from the monkey mind, sometimes from the past and future, don't worry. Slowly to bring your attention to connect with yourself again. Sometimes you can take a deep breath. Breathe in, bring the good energy, bring the fresh air that's surrounding around you. Come to connect with your body again. But if you have many thoughts come, like too much thought, too much monkey mind, you can pop up something bright and shining, like the sun, the full moon, the bright star, the Buddha image, the crystal ball, any simple bright object that is easy for you, and you can recite the mantra in your mind. Recite the mantra Samma Arahang, Samma Arahang, Samma Arahang. Recite the mantra at the soothing sound of the mantra flow in your mind again and again. Samma Arahang, Samma Arahang, Samma Arahang. Samma Arahang, this is the Pali language, the language during the Buddha time. Samma is mean purity. Arahang is mean freedom. So every time, every moment that you recite the mantra, you can purify your mind to be pure, to be free from all negativities, feel free from all suffering, and connect with your inner peace, connect with your happiness inside when you recite the mantra. And please keep the mantra flow in your mind again and over again until the end of the meditation section. So right now, we will take this moment to practice meditation together. We will take this moment to have a good time for mind shower. And this is the crystal ball that you can visualize in your stomach. You can keep the simple bright object like the crystal ball that clear, that transparent, that the air can pass through. It's very clear, it's very easy and simple. Don't worry about the detail, don't have more expectation, less expectation, don't worry. Just do in the simple way that you can practice in the way that you feel comfortable